Hi Year 9s, in this video we're looking at simplifying algebraic fractions. So as with all of the examples that we're doing, I'm going to start by copying out the question. So I've got 3a to the 4 over negative a squared. Okay, so our first step here is we're going to think about what this power of 4 means. So I'm going to write 3 on top of the fraction, and a to the power of 4 means a times itself 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then on the bottom we've got negative a times a, because we've got a to the power of 2. And so what we need to think about here is what happens when we've got a's being divided by a's. So we need to think a little bit in terms of numbers here. So for instance, what would happen if you had 5 divided by 5? What would that equal? Well, most of you should know by now that 5 divided by 5 is 1. In fact, 100 divided by 100, that is also 1. And a billion divided by a billion, I don't know why I'm doing such a massive example, but a billion divided by a billion is also 1. And so you've really got to ask yourself, well, what's any letter like a divided by a going to be? Well, that's just going to be 1 as well. So that's the point of that little exercise, is anything divided by itself is 1. And so because these a's divided by a's are 1, we can just cancel them out, because anything times 1 will be itself anyway. So all we're left with is negative 1 on the bottom, and 3 divided by negative 1, well, that's just going to be 3. And then we have 2 a's left on top, and so that's going to be a squared. I've just missed my negative there, I realise. So negative 3a squared. So that's because 3 divided by negative 1 is negative 3, and we've got 2 a's left on top timesing each other, and so that's a squared. Okay, so that's fully simplified there, and that's sort of the working that I'd like you to show for these as well.